Hi guys, this is Shortovski, and this is my first YouTube video and Bitcoin and other altcoins review. So let's start. I hope you will like it. So if you like it, then put the like on this video please, and subscribe to my channel, put the notifications on. So let's go. Okay, let's discuss Bitcoin. The BTC looks like stablecoin right now, but I think that we have three scenarios that we can actually see in the coming days, yeah, or weeks, I don't know. So we see a big base here, a big accumulation, and inside this base we have a small base like this, but the borders we see they are really strict, so we can analyze this and see and make some prognosis what can happen. Okay, what I see is that we can actually move inside this range and then go up. I'm expecting that we will touch the range of 29,800 to 31.5 thousand, and then see a reaction from there. But in the middle term, I would say that we have 70% of chance coming to 38 to 43, and then see a huge correction to 7 to 9,000, and I will explain it, I think, in the next videos where I make a global review for the Bitcoin for long term. Yeah. So the second scenario is that we can go to the lowest point of this big base. It's around 26,900, and if we fall from this base, we can go to the first accumulation that we see here is at 24,750 around. Yeah. So this is scenarios that we can use to analyze and make some setups. So for example, open long here, close it here, or close partially, open new long here, or make a big position averaging here. You know, everyone has its own strategy, so I can't give any advice. This is just my opinion, that's all, and I'm sharing it with you. So everyone has its own strategy. I'm in the long now, and I have a head short from 28,800. So I'm really in a safe position. So use this information wisely. Yep. So again, if you like what I do, please subscribe. Make some comments. Do you have any positions? What do you think where BTC can go, or Ethereum, or other altcoins that I mentioned here? So I would like to see and read what happens. Yeah. Okay, Ethereum. I saw a few days ago a scenario that we can see a reaction from here, and we see that, but we saw it really small. So we cut this accumulation, and then went lower and now came back. So to be honest, I don't know what to do, because I opened long here, and now I actually opened head short at the same position here, because right now I have position that has zero profit and zero loss. So I'm now expecting some moves from Ethereum to see what should I do, close long or close short, and which way we can go, because I still see the scenario that we can go to this accumulation zone, take some liquidity here at around 1,796 to 1,810, yeah, and then see reaction. But the good news is that we can see a huge reaction, and we can actually take huge juicy profit from these positions. For example, from here to the first take profit is 6% to 9%, because I will close it partially every few dollars. For example, here at around 2000, 2010, 20, and 30. So I think average will be around 8% profit from here. And if we see going down and open new long there, I would say that we have first profit 6%, second 10, 12, 14, around, yeah, 13 actually, sorry. So and this is not the final take profit, because I told you that we can go up with the BTC, the very last profit is at around 2,378, which gives us a setup with a 30, even 32, almost 32% of movement without any excess. Yeah, so just pure profit. You can actually use spot. So if you use spot, you will see 30% profit. If you use 10x, you will see 300% from your position. So let's move on. LDO. Nice point could be to enter long here. Again, 30% profit. Really nice setup. I've entered it already. Woo, the same. Long. And actually my subscribers at the Telegram channel, they have a joke that I'm not Shortovski, but I'm a Longovski, because I usually use longs last few weeks because we have a local uptrend, but I think we will reverse and I become the Shortovski again. So let's see the price movement. Yeah, from this point 21 to 27, which looks really nice also. MKR, really nice setup. I've entered at 82.7 already. We can see it here, I think. No, sorry, I will show you. I've entered it here. Yeah, it was short. Then I entered, yeah, see, 682.7. This is my entrance point, and I've entered it for around 15 MKR. The margin is 1000. I already have some profit, but I will wait to put the stop loss in break even. Yeah, that was my order for 18 MKR. This is like a small proof that I'm really trading and not just using YouTube to tell you virtual sort of setups. I don't know, maybe it's important for you. Should be. Curve, CRV. Actually, it's trying to pump right now, if you see. If we go out of this range, we will see the scenario that I've put few days ago already, but telling you first time right now. Okay, this is this scenario, and we have a take profits quite nice also, even from current point. I will show you right now. It's 6% to the first take profit, 16 to the second, and 37% to the third, which looks juicy. Yeah. Right now, I will give you really nice setup that I'm waiting for is the ICX. See, it's could be a potential of 180% profit and 260% profit. I'm expecting the first scenario, but it could be a second easily. Look, this is where we can enter. It's 0.21 to 0.22 approximately, but you can make a screenshot to make a proper setup. I'm expecting to put my stop loss at 0.188, and then you see that from this point to the first take profit, it's like I said 180, and 260 to the second one. And what I want to show you is that the very first setup has a risk-reward ratio to 17.4, which is fantastic, and the second one is even better. Its risk-reward ratio to 25. Just great, awesome, fantastic. I don't know. Just a second of life hack. If you don't know how to use this instrument, it actually can be used here. The long position or short position, if you're opening short, you put the stop loss, you put the entry point, you put the take profit, and it shows you the ratio, and you can also use the settings. And for example, if you have a deposit of $10,000 and you want to risk 2% per deal, The enterprise, everything is here, and it shows you the quantity that you need to enter to risk with the 2% of your deposit. And again, risk management is a really the most important thing that you should know about. It's critical, and if you put the half of your deposit or the whole deposit to the deal, you can hit the stop loss or take a liquidation, which is really bad. So please, guys, use Google, use YouTube, to understand how it works first, and then enter with a proper risk management and understanding what you are doing. But still, again, I'm sorry, you have this great setup, making a nice review for weekend. So it's has a lot of altcoins and setups. Okay, AXS 836 or 8.4. It's a nice zone to enter, I think. And the first take profit is 9.14, which is around 10% to 10% of the movement, and I think it should be 13.5 or something. No, it's 11.9 and 14.4, which is 43 to 72% of the profit, potential profit, of course, because we should see the nice BTC upward movement to see this, of course, but still it has nice potential. But other altcoins have even more potential. Actually, wanted to remind you that I have also Twitter. It's Shortovski01. So please subscribe, retweet. I'm also posting some setups there. I just started the English version because I have a Russian-speaking community. I have around 14,000 subscribers. So I'm new to the English-speaking community. I would like if you are open for that, and that I could be useful with my reviews for you. So please subscribe to the Twitter, and you will see some setups and some thoughts there. Yep. Okay, KSM. This is the zone for entrance. This is from 31.2 to 31.8. Again, we have a nice setup, nice base, accumulation zone that we can trade. From here to here is around 18%, 23, and 32, which is, again, juicy profit from the market. Could be. That's why I told you about risk management and risk-reward ratio, that at least enter where the profits are, or setup is risk-reward ratio at least 3. So 1% risk, 3% profit at least. Better 5 and more. And I have really awesome gem setup for you at the end of this review. It's ZRX. This is my expectation where we can enter. It's around 0.27.2 to 0.26.8 approximately. And from here, I'm expecting 34% movement to the first take profit and 220% to the second one. It's a 0.738. So here, nice entry. The first take profit is around 0.364. And the second, I told you, was 0.738. If we fall lower and hit a stop loss, that I would put 25.5 approximately. That's what I'm expecting to be safe. But still, again, if we fall in lower, we can enter here, and to the first take profit, we can see 60% of the movement. It's still really nice, and I can show you again the long position instrument that we can use here. For example, when entering here, this is the first target, and the stop loss, I told you that I would put around. Okay, this is more risky stop. If you would put it here, the nice safe is around here, but still you see that risk-reward ratio is at least 3. If we put here, it's 5, and even riskier it's around 6.5. This is to the first take profit. And if you see, we can use the same instrument, another chart. I will disable the auto thing. Long position. Wait a second. Long position. So opening here. Stop loss around here. And the take profit to the 73.8, which is risk reward ratio around 18. Sounds good, right? Okay, I think I finished with my review. The first review on the YouTube, especially in English. You can see my channel. Subscribe if you like what I do, if you like what I'm telling you. So I finished. I would remind you that the crypto market is a market of high risks. So if you take and make any financial decisions, you're making it on your own, and you have responsibility for 100% on your own. That's your responsibility. So please make your decisions wisely, and make your opinion using different opinions from YouTube or from your friends, I don't know, or financial advisors. But this video is just sharing my opinion. This is not financial or investment advice. So be wise, and I wish you nice profit, and let's go. See you again later.